What if the secret to unbreakable happiness isn't in your bank account, your likes on social media, or that next big promotion? What if it's hidden in a 900-year-old book written by a man who walked away from fame and fortune to chase something deeper? Al-Ghazali, the philosopher who cracked the code to the human soul, reveals in The Alchemy of Happiness that true joy isn't about chasing highs, it's about uncovering the gold already inside you. But here's the twist: you've forgotten it exists. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you how to reclaim it. This isn't fluffy self-help, it's battle-tested wisdom that transformed millions. Are you ready to turn your inner lead into gold? Let's dive in. Your happier self is waiting. Hey everyone, welcome back to Growth Array, where we unlock real growth from ancient wisdom. I'm your host, and today we're exploring Kimia-i Sa'adat, The Alchemy of Happiness by the legendary Al-Ghazali. This isn't just a book, it's a roadmap he wrote after ditching his high-powered job as a scholar in 11th century Baghdad. He hit rock bottom, questioning everything, and emerged with insights that feel eerily modern. Think about it. In a world obsessed with quick fixes like apps and hacks, Ghazali says happiness starts with knowing yourself. As he puts it, he who knows himself knows his Lord. Because deep down, your soul, your heart, is perfect, pure, like a diamond buried under layers of dirt from daily life. We'll break it down: self-knowledge, taming desires, and connecting to something bigger. By the end, you'll have practical steps to alchemize your own life. Sound good? Let's get into it. Ghazali kicks off with a bombshell. True happiness demands self-knowledge. Imagine you're a king ruling a vast kingdom. That's you. But the kingdom is your body and soul. Without understanding it, you're lost. He says we have 4 key elements: the body, the soul, our connection to the world, and the hereafter. But the real magic is in the heart, your spiritual core. It's originally perfect, what he calls fitra, but life's desires cloud it like fog on a window. Let me humanize this. I remember a time when I was grinding at a job I hated, scrolling endlessly, feeling empty. That's what Ghazali warns about, confusing fleeting pleasures with real fulfillment. He teaches us that self-knowledge isn't navel-gazing, it's active. Start by asking, what drives me? Greed, fear, or something deeper? When you peel back the layers through reflection, prayer, or even quiet walks, you uncover that inner gold. And science backs it. Modern psychology echoes this. Self-awareness boosts happiness. So action step 1. Tonight, spend 10 minutes journaling your deepest motivations. It's simple, but Ghazali promises it'll spark the alchemy. Now the tough part. Ghazali says desires are like wild animals in your kingdom. If you don't tame them, they rule you. He breaks it down into anger, lust, greed, the base soul, nafs amara. Sound familiar? It's like that impulse buy or heated argument that leaves you regretting everything. Ghazali doesn't just diagnose, he prescribes. Discipline through rituals. Prayer isn't rote, it's a reset button for your soul. Fasting, it teaches restraint. Charity, it kills greed. He draws from real Islamic traditions, but it's universal. Think of it like intermittent fasting or mindfulness apps today. They work because they echo this ancient wisdom. Let me get real with you. Last year, I battled procrastination, endless distractions stealing my joy. Applying Ghazali's advice, I set daily disciplines. No phone for the first hour. Reflect on gratitude. It wasn't easy. Desires fight back. But as Ghazali says, the alchemy transforms leaden desires into golden virtues. Over time, I felt lighter, more in control. You can too. Try this. Identify one desire dragging you down, maybe overeating or doom scrolling. Commit to a small ritual to counter it.
Ghazali guarantees, master this and happiness flows naturally. Here's where it gets profound. Ghazali teaches that self-knowledge leads to knowing God, or the divine, the ultimate source. Happiness isn't solo, it's relational. The world and the hereafter are mirrors reflecting this truth. He says the soul yearns for eternity, so worldly stuff, money, status, is like salt water. It quenches temporarily, but leaves you thirstier. In The Alchemy of Happiness, he uses metaphors. Your heart is a mirror. Polish it through good deeds, and it reflects divine light. Avoid sin, not out of fear, but to keep that mirror clear. This isn't abstract. Ghazali lived it, traveling as a Sufi seeker after his crisis. Relate it to now. In our isolated, screen-filled lives, depression spikes because we've cut that connection. Ghazali's fix? Build virtues, patience, gratitude, love. He shares parables. A man hoarding wealth dies unhappy, while a humble seeker finds bliss in simplicity. For you, foster this through daily remembrance, meditation, nature walks, helping others. It's not religious dogma, it's practical alchemy. I've felt it. Volunteering shifted my focus from me to we, sparking real joy. Ghazali nails it. True happiness is in the heart's contentment with the divine. Friends, the alchemy of happiness isn't ancient history, it's your playbook today. Ghazali shows, know yourself, tame desires, connect deeply, and watch misery turn to gold. Remember, you're not starting from scratch. Your soul's perfection is there, waiting. But knowledge without action is lead. Start small. Grab a copy of Kimya-i-Sadat. Journal tonight. Tame one desire this week. Seek that divine spark daily. If this hit home, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. Drop in the comments, what's one desire you're ready to alchemize? I read them all. Let's grow together. You're capable of this transformation. As Ghazali says, the path to happiness is through the door of self-knowledge. Step through it. Keep growing. Keep alchemizing. See you next time.